and understanding what has happened, because as far as the LOP in Tamil Nadu Assembly is concerned, Udayanidhi Stalin, now while speaking in Thanjavur, seems to have made a double meaning statement as far as a comment about indicating Trisha Krishnan, the actor, and this is something which has now triggered a face-off. Now, because of which the TVK has decided to approach the NCW, which is the National Commission for Women, against Udayanidhi Stalin over the remarks, requesting the NCW to take cognizance of the issue and seek an unconditional public apology and direct the authorities to initiate legal action under relevant provisions of the BNS. So condemnation that has been pouring from all sides, whether it comes to even the ally, which is the Congress party, is now seeking that a clarification needs to be issued on part of Udayanidhi Stalin, and he needs to issue an unconditional apology. Let me go across to Pratibha on this. Pratibha, we are looking at this development. TVK is now going to take up this matter in a big way. We are now looking at protests that are also being planned. We are also looking at how the TVK has now decided that they will be approaching the National Commission for Women, because Tamil Nadu leader of opposition Udayanidhi Stalin's comment in response to chants of Trisha, which has now sparked a controversy, with the TVK calling it to be disgusting, and the BJP has also now seeking action against the DMK leader. Meanwhile, as we connect with Pratibha, we also have Dharini joining in. Dharini, if you can help us in context exactly what happened in Thanjavur, which actually triggered this controversy.
Well, yesterday the DMK organized a protest in Thanjavur against the TVK government in connection with the Kaveri issue. So, the protest was to tell that the TVK has not taken proactive steps in connection with the Kaveri, water matter. But during Udayanidhi Stalin's speech, the DMK cadre in the location, they were seen chanting the name of actress Trisha. So to this, Udayanidhi responded with a distasteful remark. He said that, whichever water comes or not, that particular water should come, and I meant Kaveri. So this remark by Udayanidhi Stalin is being seen as very disgusting and distasteful by many sections of the society. And since last evening, the TVK has been demanding an unconditional apology from Udayanidhi Stalin. Several TVK ministers such as Ramesh, Rajmogan, Adhav Arjuna, N. Anand, etc., all second-line leaders, they put out tweets calling out Udayanidhi Stalin for this distasteful remark. They are telling that one might have political difference of opinions. One might be at two different ends of the spectrum on several issues, but to make such disgusting and distasteful remarks in connection with women, especially, something that cannot be tolerated at all, is what TVK second line leaders, they've been telling since last evening. And we're also now given to understand that the TVK will be staging a protest across Tamil Nadu around 11 a.m. this morning. In fact, in Chennai also this protest will be happening. The TVK is trying to zero in on a location as far as Chennai is concerned, and as you rightly said, they've also returned to the National Commission for Women, demanding legal action against Udayanidhi Stalin, and demanding that he issue a public apology for his crass remarks. So definitely the TVK is taking this matter up very seriously, and they are approaching all both legal channels, and also they're taking it to the streets to demand an apology from Udayanidhi Stalin for the distasteful remark he made.
Because actor turned politician, I mean, that has happened from both sides. If we speak of the DMK and the TVK in particular, now that Vijay is the chief minister. But we're going to talk about exactly what began as a political protest, as Dharini was pointing out, over the Kaveri river water sharing issue with Karnataka, seems to have snowballed, and the focus has shifted entirely into this controversy. Because at this DMK rally, party workers repeatedly chanted Trisha's name as a jibe directed at the chief minister. Now, at this DMK rally in Thanjavur, addressed by the leader of opposition Udayanidhi Stalin, party workers repeatedly chanted the actor's name, and instead of immediately distancing himself from the chants, he responded with a play on words and a smirk. Now, before clarifying that he was actually referring to the Kaveri water decision that has been taken up as far as the government is now concerned, but the focus here completely seems to have now been shifted to this particular controversy.
எங்க தண்ணி வருதோ அல்ல அங்க தண்ணி வரணும்.